Stop using your phone for TikTok Live because I found a way to use a real camera. This is DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and I'm using it for TikTok Live. No complicated setup, no OBS, just plug and go. If you're into a real camera setups and no BS tutorials, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. Step 1. First, connect your camera using USB-C. Step 2. Turn it on and switch to webcam mode. Step 3. Open the TikTok Live Studio. Step 4. Click Add Source. Camera, select DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and done. Step 5. Switch to portrait mode for TikTok. Step 6. Fix your framing, fix your lighting, and you're ready to go live. This is the quality way better than your phone. If you want better quality live stream, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can do. If you're into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like. See you in the next one.